3, 2, 1, lift off.
So the G, Kyle the ringer is in the belfry, ringing up Ampolisali, a mastermind of campanology, KTR Kyle the ringer.
Once again, guys, it's colouring it. I can hear the simulator sound. I followed about it. Don't I know it's not the real sound because it would be louder if it was. Actually, it might just be muffled. Yeah, it sounds like it's muffled. Anyway then, guys, I'm going to end the vid here now, because it's 18 minutes past and this guy called Dave Taylor should be coming for his tower tour off the tower today. So, if you enjoyed hearing the sound, if we can hear it on the vid, then please subscribe for future content. Until next time, ring out.